Now for mini story number 2. So we already figured out how fast this little block is going right before it crashes into the big block. So this was the answer from the previous video. What we want to find out now is, okay, so the two blocks collide. This one sticks, the little block sticks to the big block, and so now the two blocks are moving to the left with some speed u. And so the question is, what is the speed u? So this is a collision, so this is going to be a conservation of momentum problem. So let's do this. So 2 going to 3, we know it's a conservation of momentum problem, so I can write my conservation of momentum equation. This is just true. We know this is going to work, and let's see. So it's all along one axis. And in that collision, there's not really any other forces, external forces giving impulse to these things at that time. So this external impulse is going to be 0. And the relevant axis here is the x-axis. So along the x-axis, the final momentum is to the left. So I'm going to have minus. The two blocks together have this mass, and they have this speed. So this is the final momentum. And the initial momentum is all in the little block, which has mass little m, and has velocity vf, which we already know. And this is to the left. So there's a minus sign there. So this minus sign cancels this minus sign. And what we get is that the velocity u of the two blocks is going to be little m divided by big M plus little m times vf. And remember, vf is known. We know what vf is, and so there you go. Now we know what u is. This is our final